In this video, we will talk about how to stop Windows 11 update permanently. Method 1. Disable Windows Update Service. Click in Search, type Services, select Run as Administrator. In here, search for Windows Update. Right-click and select Properties. Set the startup type to Disabled. Click on Stop, then click on Apply and OK. Now Windows Update is permanently disabled. Method 2. Disable via Registry. Click in Search, type Regedit, select Open. Click on Yes. Here, you have to be in this location. I have mentioned it in the description. Right-click on Windows, hover to New, select Key. Name it Windows Update, then press Enter. Now, click on Windows Update folder. On the right side, right-click, hover to New, select DWORD 32-bit value. Name it No Auto Update, then press Enter. Double-click and set the value to 1, and click on OK. Then click on Start and restart your PC. So that's how you can stop Windows 11 update permanently. See you in the next video.